Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Madeline and today I'll be showing you what came in my ButcherBox. So this is actually the second time I've ordered one. Both of them I've purchased with my own money, so this video isn't sponsored or anything. It's my real unbiased opinion. And so the first time I ordered one, I did the variety pack. So it's basically like you can choose the seafood, pork, chicken, or beef. And you choose a total of, I think it was 6 items, and that's what you receive. And the first time we ordered it too, they were running the free turkey promotion, so we got the free turkey as well. And so this time we decided to change it up a little bit, and we just did the pork and beef option. So I'm going to show you what came in this box, what they selected for us out of those two categories. We also added on a few things, so I'll be sure to differentiate between what actually just comes in the base price versus what we added on. And so this box costs, I believe, a total of $129, and it comes with free shipping. But I'll be sure to link their website down below if you want to check out any of the prices or anything like that, because I'm sure they're always changing. And also there's a bunch of different ways you can get discounts on the boxes. So when I purchased my original box, I used Ebates to get cash back. And then I also found that they were running the free turkey promotion. And then also when I hovered on the final checkout page, I want to say it offered me another $10 off before I finally ended up checking out. So a few things to keep an eye out for. I do think there also are student discounts through Unidays and a whole different variety of ways. So I'll leave a list of a bunch of the ones that I would recommend trying for discounts down below. So yeah, I'm just going to get started. First, I'm just going to open it up and I'll show you what we got. So starting off, when I open up the box, let me just tilt it because it's pretty heavy. It starts off with just some cardboard, and basically I can pull this out. And it just gives you all the instructions for how to handle dry ice and then how to recycle different things. And all the different materials that come in here just describe basically like how to handle them and also how to recycle each one. So now you can see that inside, after you take out the dry ice, it's just basically all the meats in there. And they're all frozen right now. So first I have the baby back ribs, and I got 2.12 pounds. I have a pork tenderloin. This one's 1.2 pounds. And then a second one, which is 0.96 pounds. This is a grass-fed beef bottom round roast. And it is, doesn't say how many pounds it is. Oh, it says on the box it should be 2.25 pounds. This one is the pork breakfast sausage. This is grass-fed beef sirloin tips, and I believe this is 1 pound. Yep. I also have 2 of the grass-fed, grass-finished ground beef, 85% fat, or 85% lean, 50% fat. And each one of these is 1 pound. And then the last thing that came in here is a bone-in pork butt, and this one is 5.64 pounds. So I hope that just gives you an idea of basically the different sizes of things and how everything is packaged. And now basically I've reached the bottom of the box. And so the things that actually came in the base price of $129 is first the bone-in pork butt, then the 2 things of ground beef, the bottom round roast, the ribs, baby back ribs, and then the beef sirloin tips. Then after that I added on the breakfast sausage because we really like how this tastes. And then I also, on Black Friday, they were doing a special where you could do buy one, get one free pork tenderloin. So I added these two on as well. So yeah, again, down below I'll leave a link to where you can find ButcherBox. I really do enjoy it just because it adds some variety. I feel like whenever we usually would go to the grocery store, we just kept buying the same meats over and over again. So this helps us kind of have more variety and also just try out new recipes. So I think it's fun. It probably is slightly more than going to the grocery store, but if you don't have like grass-fed ground beef by you or something like that, then this is a good alternative. So yeah, I hope you found it helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching.